Right, you keep raising this as an example and making a claim about it. The one mass colliding with the three mass. And you seem so confused about it coming out with a higher momentum number. So we've got 100 going in, just say it's 10 mass, 10 meters per second, that comes out at 100 momentum. And then as they collide, they both go off at half the initial speed. So that makes the three mass, say 30, and it's going at 5 meters per second, which gives you the 150. Now, you constantly claim that because this is a higher momentum number, therefore free energy has been achieved and everybody should be able to capitalize on that. So what you're focused on is the higher momentum number, and because the momentum number is higher, therefore it's more motion and it can do more work. And you could test this yourself simply because you keep making the claim that this three mass has more momentum and therefore it could do more work. So to support your claim, all you would have to do is take a one mass at 2 velocity, swing it into a spring or a rubber band, whatever, and see how much work it does. After the collision, you know the three mass is going to be travelling at half the velocity. So again, that's easy to do, just take a three mass. So you can drop that from 4 heights, giving it 2 velocity, and you can drop this from 1 height, giving it 1 velocity. Again, the momentum would be more, but what you've got to show is that momentum is energy, and therefore it will do more work against a rubber band or a spring, because you're saying this is a higher momentum number, momentum is everything, momentum does work. So rather than just saying it over and over, prove it. It's a simple experiment. I'm sure you can build a pendulum. Not difficult, not expensive. Weights aren't expensive. You can use anything, really. And then you can show us all where this extra momentum in a direction is doing all this work. And if you can show that, then we'll all go, oh, well done. But you're not going to show that, are you? You won't do the experiment. I'm not going to do the experiment because I know the results. But you're the one that keeps claiming it. You're the one that's saying, this is a higher momentum, therefore it must do more work. Prove it then. Show it. Break the laws of physics. I dare you.